Tired of dealing with constant WordPress updates? You're not alone. Every week it feels like there's another security patch, plugin update, or compatibility issue. And one wrong click could bring your entire site crashing down. The truth is, WordPress can be powerful, but it's also becoming bloated, complicated, and risky for everyday users. You deserve a website that's fast, secure, and easy to manage without living in fear of the next big update. That's why today we're sharing 3 free, secure alternatives to WordPress that could save you time and headaches. First, there's Joomla. Flexible, powerful, and perfect for both beginners and advanced developers. Thousands of extensions, strong community support, and no constant critical updates. Next, Drupal. If you need enterprise-level security and scalability, Drupal is the trusted choice for major organizations worldwide. It's designed to handle complex websites without sacrificing security. And finally, Concrete CMS. With its intuitive drag-and-drop builder, Concrete CMS makes launching a beautiful, secure website simple, no coding required. Say goodbye to the endless update cycle. Say hello to a more stable, stress-free website. Want to learn more? Visit Floburt.com for free tools, tips, and more ways to take control of your website today.